Exercise or diet? Diet or exercise? What is more important when it comes to weight loss? What is it that makes the real big impact on your weight loss? Today I'm going to talk about the importance of diet and exercise and what makes the bigger mark. Yeah, I am not really trying to belittle one for another, but I want you to understand what is more important. Yeah. Now, exercise in a way is misunderstood. People don't understand what the real benefits of exercise are. When people come to me or when people have been asked to lose weight in general, the first thing is, but I exercise. Yes, you do exercise, but do you really understand what exercise does and would it actually help you to lose weight? Yeah. Now, exercise is very good, but it is not meant for losing weight. It is not meant for a time when your goal is to lose weight. Now, in the initial period when the weight loss journey begins, it is the intensive diet which is going to help you to lose weight. So, for example, you are at a X weight and you want to lose, let's say, 5 kgs, 10 kgs, 2 kgs. Now, how much ever you exercise at that point of time, but if you're not creating a calorie deficit, you are not going to lose weight. So, it is the diet which is very, very important. The right food, the right kind of, channelization of the food items, the right timings, the right quantities, everything plays a very, very important role. Now, and then it's the maintenance phase where you've lost the desired weight and now you need to maintain. Now, this is where exercise is also very important. Now, I'm saying it is also very important. So, essentially, I'm saying that diet still never gets the secondary status. It is always there. Yeah. So even though you're on maintenance phase, you still need to eat sensibly. So please understand that there is no magical diet in the world where you've lost weight for once and you will always stay there. So you need to continue to eat sensibly, and that takes me to a point where I keep telling that no fat diet works. It has to be your lifestyle. It cannot be just a diet for 2 months and then you let loose. So when you reach the maintenance phase is where the exercise is also very important. Now people need to understand that exercise is not the first or exercise is not the key to lose weight. But exercise is the key to build your stamina, to build your muscle mass when you are on the right diet, and to be able to maintain the weight that you've lost. So exercise has an importance in the maintenance phase. Exercise has an importance to increase your basal metabolic rate if you are eating right. So please remember, it is the diet which is more important. It is the diet which is the most important when it comes to the initial phase of losing weight. The exercise is going to help you maintaining that weight, building your stamina. So in a way they go hand in hand. Exercise does not substitute your weight loss. Exercise only complements your weight loss. So make sure that you eat right, and with that you're doing some kind of exercise on daily basis to improve your BMR. Now, if you have any questions related to what kind of food should you be eating or what kind of diet should you be following, please feel free to put that in comment section or join my Facebook community and post your questions there, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll talk again. Bye-bye.